Good morning, students. Hope you understand my last video in which I explained the use of trigonometry in the case of finding height and distance of anything from a given point. Now we are learning next step ahead from this. So in this one we are going to learn the use of trigonometry in little bit advanced mode. So in this one you have a given question number 6, which is from your exercise 9.1 till 5. I already explained in my last video. Okay, so now let's start for the question number 6. For this one, beta, I told you that it is very much necessary to understand the statement. If you understand the statement, then you can make a diagram, and when you make the diagram, then you can solve those questions easily, because without making diagram we are unable to solve those sums of this application of trigonometry. So for this one, read the statement carefully. If you are unable to understand it once, then read it again. If you again not understand, then again read it, but I'm sure you will understand the question. So let's start together. We will read the statement and see how many students understand the statement. So we have given a 1.5 meter tall boy. Is it clear? A 1.5 meter tall boy. Obviously, the boy will standing. So that's the boy. Is standing at the some distance from a 30 meter tall building. Means a boy is standing from a tall building. यानी उसके सामने एक building है. This is a boy. If I let this a boy, then the building is just in front of it. It's a building which is 30 meter tall. So I can write here 30. This distance, this height is 30 meter. The angle of elevation from his eyes, और इसको eyes तो proper ही होंगी उसकी. So from his eyes to the top of building means eyes से building के top means this is. ठीक है? And this angle is 30 to 60 means पहले उसका एंगल 30 है और बाद में 60 हो जाता है जब वो बिल्डिंग की तरफ चलना शुरू कर देता है. ठीक है? तो नाउ इट इज, ये जो है अभी फिलहाल दिस एंगल इज 30 डिग्री, बट जैसे जैसे ये आगे को बढ़ रहा है इट्स एंगल बिकम 60. जैसे 60 बनता है वहीं स्टॉप हो जाता है. सो आई एम टेकिंग दैट हियर इज एंगल 60. जब वो चलकर यहाँ से यहाँ पे पहुँचा है तो इसका एंगल 30 से क्या हो गया है 60 डिग्री. सो आई एम राइटिंग हियर 60. फाइंड द डिस्टेंस ही वॉक टुवर्ड्स अस. तो आपने इसमें पता करके बताना है कि बिल्डिंग की तरफ जो चला है व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस दैट मीन्स वी आर आस्क्ड अबाउट दिस डिस्टेंस. आपने ये डिस्टेंस में फाइंड आउट करना है. ठीक है? जितना उसने डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल किया है टू मेक हिज एंगल फ्रॉम 30 to 60. Got it? So for this one, this is your 30 and I am writing here that height of boy is 1.5. Also given the height of the boy is 1.5 meter. So if it is 1.5, then it will also 1.5. Okay. So I can write this also 1.5. Got it? So ये 1.5 तो वही 1.4. And this hole is your 30 meter. It means if this hole is 30, this is 1.5. Then how much it will be? Yes, we will subtract it. So when you subtract 30 minus 1.5, so it becomes 28.5. So this height will be 28.5. ठीक है? तो आप यहाँ पे लेट कर दीजिए मैंने ये डिस्टेंस x सेट कर दिया है, ठीक है, बस इतना सा डिस्टेंस, दिस इज x एंड यू कैन से डिस्टेंस as y, तो बाकी रेस्ट ऑफ डिस्टेंस दैट विल बी योर y, एंड नाउ वी आर लेटिंग हियर a b c d, this is your point E and this is F. So now you can see I name it all the points in the diagram, and here is your right angle means 90 degree. So now your figure is completed. You have to write all the things which you let and which is given also. So first of all we will write that height of tower, that is 30 meter, height of boy, और boy का नाम हमने रखा हुआ यहाँ पे CD, so it is 1.5 meter. और क्या आपको given है इसमें? Angles are also given, so you can write angles also. That angle A B F is equal to 30 degree and angle A E F is 60 degree. ठीक है, वो आपका है 30 डिग्री एंड द अदर इज 60 डिग्री. और अब आपने जो लेट किया है वी विल आल्सो राइट. तो आपको इसमें क्या पता है, द DE डिस्टेंस इज x, EF डिस्टेंस आपका y है, एंड अदर थिंग कुछ भी लेट किया है? नो. यस, वन थिंग मोर, वो लेट नहीं किया बट आपने फाइंड आउट किया है, ठीक है. सो आई कैन राइट हियर दैट आल्सो AF is equal to AB minus BF. AB is 30 minus BF is 1.5, so it becomes 28.5. ठीक है, so you have all these things. Now we are going to solve the sum. But students, keep one thing in your mind. Whenever you are solving this sum, I told you we can apply trigonometry only in right angle triangle. So whenever you are choosing the triangle, you should remember that that triangle should be a right angle triangle. So if you see, there are three triangles. अगर आप यहाँ से देखें, यहाँ पर three triangles आपको नजर आ रहे होंगे. One is AFE, other is AFB, and one is AEB. But out of these three, we will use only two, which are right angle triangle. So if you see, the right angle triangle are only two. One is AFE, see here is right angle, and other is AFB. So we have two triangles which are right angle. So now first in triangle I am using here AFE. ठीक है, so I am using the triangle name that is AFE. In this triangle AFE, you can apply that आपको इसमें थीटा गिवन है, ठीक है, बेस आपने पता करना है, हाइट आपको पता है. It means we can apply here, yes, that is tan theta. So I'm applying here tan theta. Tan theta is 60 degree is equal to AF upon EF. So tan 60 is root 3, AF is 28.5 and EF that is Y. So do the cross multiplication here. आपने cross multiply करना है. So Y root 3 is equal to 28.5. तो आप root 3 को डिवाइड में लेके जाएंगे. So Y will be equal to 28.5 upon root 3. Now you see that there is root 3 in the denominator, and always remember one thing, that we cannot write irrational numbers in the denominator. So for that one you have to rationalize. आपको rationalize भी करना पड़ेगा. So I am doing here root 3 upon root 3. it becomes 28.5 root 3 upon 3. So when I am dividing it becomes 3 9s are 27, 3 5s are 15. So 9.5 root 3. This is the value of y. ये आपके पास y की वैल्यू आई है. Now we are going to find the value of x, and for this one we will apply again, remember, the right angle triangle. So your next right angle triangle is AFD. So now in triangle AFD, AFD triangle again your theta is 30. So tan 30 is equal to, you can write AF upon FD. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. The value of AF is 28.5 and FD is x plus y. ठीक है, FD बेटा आपका है जिस क्योंकि यहाँ तक x है, ये y टोटल कितना हो जाएगा आपका x plus y. So this x plus y again the cross multiply. X plus y is equal to 28.5 root 3. Now you can put the value of x, y which already we found in the first triangle. So after this one, the y x plus y is 9.5 root 3 is equal to 28.5. So x is equal to 28.5 root 3. This is plus, will become minus 9.5. So 28.5 में से आपने 9.5 को माइनस करना है. So it becomes 19 under root 3. So उस पर्सन ने, इस बॉय ने जो डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल किया है दैट इज x इक्वल टू 19 रूट 3 मीटर का डिस्टेंस इस पर्सन ने ट्रैवल किया. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, hope you understand this question. And now we are going to start our next question. Now student, we are going to start our next question. That question number is 7. And again I am saying to all of you that listen or read the statement carefully. So let's start. The question is from a point on the ground. आपके पास एक point है on the ground. So let कर लेते हैं. One point is on the ground. This is the ground. और इस ground को मैंने point calculate कर दिया. The angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of 20 meter high building. यानी बिल्डिंग है, उस बिल्डिंग के ऊपर एक टावर खड़ा है. ठीक है. So your building और इस बिल्डिंग के ऊपर ये आपका टावर. क्लियर? दिस इज बिल्डिंग एंड बिल्डिंग के ऊपर आपके पास टावर का. दोबारा पढ़ते हैं. द एंगल्स ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द बॉटम एंड टॉप ऑफ अ ट्रांसमिशन टावर. बॉटम एंड टॉप ऑफ अ ट्रांसमिशन टावर फिक्स्ड एट द टॉप ऑफ 20 meter high building. So this is height is given 20 meter, okay, and are 45 and 60 means this point से one angle is here and the other angle will be here. ठीक है. So two angles are there. One is 45 जो बॉटम के साथ बन रहा है जैसा क्वेश्चन में लिखा है, and the other angle is 60 degree, that is with the top of the transmission tower. So I have not height of tower क्योंकि आपको फाइंड करनी है. So I let h. So height of the tower I let there h. मुझे बेस भी नहीं पता है, so I let it as x. ठीक है. And again here is right angle triangle. 90 डिग्री आपने ट्रायंगल में डायग्राम में शो कीजिए. नॉन एनी बिकम ए बी सी डी. ठीक है. So now you can see you have again three triangles are there, but we need only two right angle triangle. Okay, so for two right angle triangle, you can see that we have those two right angle, and those are triangle A, C and D. The other is B, C and D. So like this we have two right angle triangle in this figure. So again saying to you, first of all you will write all those things which you have given in the question and which you are let those also. So write those. So first I have given height of building, building का नाम क्या है हमारे पास BC, so that is 20 meter and और कुछ गिवन नहीं है, हमने हाइट लेट की है, लेट हाइट ऑफ टावर उसका नाम है आपके पास AB एंड इसकी हाइट हमने H लेट किया। और क्या गिवन है हमें, यस इस डिस्टेंस को भी आपने लेट किया है, राइट आल्सो लेट BC इज इक्वल टू x और एंगल्स के बारे में लिखेंगे, दैट इज एंगल ABC is equal to 60 and angle BDC that is equal to 45. So these two angles that I also write. Now we will apply the again trigonometry ratios. In this one we have two right angle triangle, those we will use. First I am using here in triangle, I am using the triangle BCD. So BCD. So this one 10, theta is your 45. You know very well why I am using here 10. You know, because I have given height and I need base. So that's why base and height is in your 10 theta. So 10 theta is 45. Height is BC upon base, that is CD. Now you can value 1. BC is your 20 and CD is your x. So after doing cross multiplying, x will be your 20 meter. So you can see that the value of x is 20 meter. This is 20 meter. Now we are going to use another right angle triangle, and that triangle is in triangle ACD. So I am using here the triangle ACD. So in this one again 10, your theta is 60 is equal to main perpendicular upon base, perpendicular is AC and your base is C. Okay, the perpendicular is your AC and base is your CD. Now tan 60 is root 3, the value of AC, value of AC क्या होगा इसमें आपके पास, you will just add that. आपको add करेंगे, so it become H plus 20 upon CD. CD is your x. So you will cross multiply here. Again it become x root b is equal to h plus 1. So you have value of x. आपके पास x की value है. You can put the value of x. The value of x is 20 root b is equal to h plus 1. We are finding here height. आपने height find out करनी है. So h will be equal to क्या है आपके पास, that will be 20 root e minus 20. बस क्या आप उधर लिखे जाएंगे तो बन जाएगा ये minus. So और h is equal to, you can see now we can take 20 as common. So when you take 20 from this common, so it become 20 under root 3 minus 1. So this will be the height of the tower. You can put the value of under root 3 also. If it is given in your question, then you have to put the value of root 3 and the value of root 3 is 1.73. If it is not mentioned, then no need to put the value of root 3. You can stop your answer here also. And after this, you will just write the thing to that here that height of the tower is equal to 20 bracket under root 3 minus 1 meter. This will be the height of the transmission tower. Thank you, students. Hope you understand this lecture also. And one thing more, your question number, next question, this is a 7th and 8th question is also just same like of this one. In this, but on that question, you have given the height of this. इसमें आपको क्या बोला हुआ है कि there is a statue which is standing on a pedestal. ठीक है, so this will be a pedestal. ठीक है, pedestal का मीनिंग होता है जो खड़ा होता है एम्बैंकमेंट एक तरीके से. So the pedestal is here and on this there is a statue. तो उसमें स्टैचू की हाइट आपको गिवन है 1.6 मीटर. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको 20 गिवन है, नीचे बिल्डिंग की हाइट गिवन है, बट ऑन दैट क्वेश्चन यू हैव गिवन हाइट ऑफ स्टैचू. क्वेश्चन हाइट की स्टैचू गिवन है. यहाँ पे आप उस केस क्वेश्चन 1.6 को लेट कर लिखेंगे एंड यू विल लेट द हाइट ऑफ पेडेस्टल. आप पेडेस्टल की हाइट को h लेट करेंगे एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल सॉल्व जस्ट लाइक दिस एज आई डिड. एंड वन थिंग, डोंट सी व्हाट आर द एंगल्स देयर. ठीक है, जरूरी कि वहाँ 40 और 60 हो, मे बी वहाँ पे 30 और 45 भी हो सकता है. So whatever the angle is there, you can use those first and according to that you can find the answer. But the answer is, and solving way will be same just like question number 7. So students, hope all of you understand today's lecture and you can do your next question, and from this we will continue also. If anyone has problem to understand this, you can see my first video also where I explain how to apply the trigonometry ratios to find the height and the distance. Thank you students, all the best.